Thanks for understanding. Guys, day 2. If there are any new participants who have just visited only today, please type N in the chat box. If there are repeat audience, please type R in the chat box. Okay, so new people, I'll just tell something quickly about myself. My name is Tirumurthy. Like, I'm a skill development trainer in the area of quantitative aptitude. Okay, I've been helping students to clear a lot of quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning tests in the last 12 years. Okay, and I have personally cleared a lot of IT company interviews, and I have even got some public sector jobs, helped a lot of students get some public sector jobs like banking, SSC, something like that. And I also have scored 99 percentile in exams like CAT, Common Admission Test. Above all, a proud fact I would say about myself is I am a passionate teacher. Despite all these opportunities, I chose to teach people because I feel that my purpose of life is to help people through education. So I'm just doing it. All these webinars and stuffs, we are doing it for like a website called placementpreparation.io. I'll just explain about it more by end of the session. Okay. And this placementpreparation.io is a platform which is being funded by GUI. Okay, so GUI is a technology learning platform. Like they teach you a technology in vernacular languages, English, Tamil, Hindi, whatever languages possible. They are just doing a great job. And only because of GUI, like we are meeting each other. Okay, because they are funding the whole placement preparation IO, and through placement preparation, I am just meeting all of you. Okay, so this is a quick introduction without making much time delay. So today is going to be a very tight day because we are going to discuss 8 logical reasoning topics. Okay, so all the topic, because the number of topics is very huge today, like for in all the topics I've just chose only one question as a sample, and coding and decoding alone, like we have just chosen 2 questions. Maybe if possible, if you guys are interested, I'll just show you a company specific question which has been asked in the previous year Accenture question paper, and you guys will have some extra motivation also. Like if you actually see a company specific question, it will be nice. So maybe I'll just try doing that also if you guys are interested. Okay, yeah. Bharat, I'll just show the link by end of the session. Okay, I'll share my YouTube channel link, Instagram channel link, all that. Not my placement preparations YouTube channel. That is where I post the content. Okay, yeah. So first part today is like coding and decoding. Okay. So coding and decoding, predominantly there will be 3 types of question. Okay. So they will be just giving a word or a sentence which will be actually coded into something else. We can actually say something like a logic box. There will be an input, and the input goes through a logic, and there will be a different output. We need to understand what is the logic, and based on that, they will be asking few questions. Okay. Fine, great. Yesterday's recording, we'll just edit it and share it in the weekend, okay? Okay, Santosh. Santosh, as of quantitative aptitude is concerned, you can just use our website or itself, like placementpreparation.io. Down the line, we are planning to add some videos also that will be very helpful for the learning purpose. Other websites don't have that learning part. They have given a lot of theory content, textual content. As an innovation, we are trying to add video content so that you guys can quickly look into the videos and learn and then practice some problems. That will take a month or so to bring up that part. Okay, yeah, great. Fine. Yeah. So I was just telling about this coding and decoding. Example, there will be a word called dog. So if dog becomes God, okay. So here, this actual word input is going through a logic, and the output is this. And you guys can clearly see what is the logic. Exactly the same letters are there, and it's been reversed. Okay. Similarly, ABC is coded as BCD. Okay. What will be another word coded as? So here also you can clearly see +1, +1, +1 is the logic. You are just shifting one alphabet to the right side. So generally, yeah. So no, ABC is coded as BCD. Like what will be another word coded as? Some questions like that will be asked. So generally, coding and decoding will have these type of problem based on alphabets to alphabets with the help of single logic, and alphabets to numbers or symbols. That kind of code also will be given, and sentence-based coding and decoding will be given. Okay, yeah. So we will see some examples so that you will understand it better. Okay, if Delhi is coded as this, how will you code Bombay? Okay, so this is the question. Coding and decoding shortcut is, the extra knowledge you need to have is this one. First of all, as soon as you get into the examination hall, they hand over the rough sheet to you. Like you can just write something like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And also numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And also, like I have just not left enough space. You can just write in reverse also. Okay. If you write in the reverse, like it will be, this will be 1, this will be 2, something like this. Okay. Yeah. So after writing this, keep it somewhere. Okay. Whenever logical reasoning is one of the subsection, highly likely you will get a question in coding and decoding. So it is better that you write this in your paper before you start the examination. Okay. Now look at the question. Delhi is scored as CCIT. Okay. See, what is the relation between this D and C? -1. E and C? E and C? -2. L and I? L and I? -3. Guys, can you clearly see a logic here? Yes, no? If you can understand, type U in the chat box. If you want me to repeat, please type R in the chat box. Yeah. So this is like decoding the logic. So clearly this is the logic. Shortcut I would love to share with you is, don't calculate it fully. Okay. So B -1 is A. Look at the answer choices. First letter has to be A. Okay. So this will not be the answer. This will not be the answer. You can eliminate these two answer choices. And second letter O. O -2. So O is in the middle. So it will be difficult for me. I'll just calculate Y. Okay. So no, maybe I'll just start with the O itself. O -2 will be what? Which letter? M, N, O. M should be the right answer, right? Correct. So second letter should be M. Okay. So here among these two, most of the letters are different. So take any alphabet, you will get the answer. So AM should be the right answer. So I'll just mark this one. Don't be wasting and don't be ruthlessly spending your time to find the actual right answer. All you need to do is among these 4, which could be the answer. So for that, like the whole process will take 10 to 20 seconds time. Can you understand the shortcut which I've just told you guys? If you want me to repeat, please type R. If you have understood it, please type U in the chat box. Yeah. Don't be wasting time in finding the answer completely. Okay. Just use the answer choices and then try doing it. Okay. Great. So this is a sentence-based coding and decoding. Okay. This sentence is scored as this one. This sentence is scored as this one. And you need to find then. Okay. See here. Where is then here? It need not be something like this. Like rock means SH. Then means me. This is the second word. This is the first word. First word is equal to first word. Second word equals to second word. Third word is equal to third word. That will not be true. Mostly in yes, Pulak, we have our YouTube channel. We will just share the link by end of the session. Okay. As of now, we'll focus on this learning. Yeah. So you should not take it straight away. Okay. You just need to compare these two clues. Me, yeah. So these three words is equal to rock, then young. And me, yo, na, yeah. See, which are all common? Me is common. Yeah is common. Okay. And in the actual the code, which are the two things which are common? Like wise, young, sharp, rock. Okay, rock is common. Okay. And young is common. Then is leftover. So here leftover word is equal to then, which is yes, H should be the right answer. Can you guys understand this? I'm just sharing my screen. Company specific Accenture question. Yes. So this was the look at the first question. I just zoom it a little bit. Okay. Try solving this question, guys. Try solving this question. Tell me what could be the answer for this question. More than the answer, I just want to see the approach. Rohit, I want you to kind of rework this again. John Kennedy. I don't think B is the right answer. Tanishq, I don't think B is the right answer. Can you just rework on it? D should be correct. D for Delhi should be right. See, this word, okay, I'll just use black. This word is scored as this one. Rooster is scored as this one. Okay. See, with these two words, you need to find something. Okay. Right. There are two O's here, and in the symbol also, in the coded word also, like 2 slashes here, 2 slashes here. So double O will be equal to double slash. This is the first clue, which we can visibly find it very quickly. So 2 slash has to be coming here, 2 slash, 2 slash, 2 slash. So this is not the right answer. This can be the answer. This can be the answer. This can be the answer. Can you guys understand till this part? Like if you can understand, please type U in the chat box. Yeah. Okay. Second clue is, okay. And now don't actually find each and every word. Look at the answer. Okay. We are supposed to find what is the code for moose. We know that only these three can be the right answer. Okay. So here in these three answer choices, last one is star, last letter is star, star, star. So finding last letter will not help us much. But last but one letter. Okay. See, percentage here. S here, dollar here. Okay, so all the three are different. If I find the last but one, if I find what is the code of yes, code word of yes, we will find the answer. Which is the code word of yes?
Dollar.
Fourth letter, dollar. Okay, so this will not be the answer. This will not be the answer. This should be the right answer. Can you guys get it? Instead of solving it fully, I'm just smartly looking at the answer choices and see where it is different. And I'm just focusing only on that part. That way we can save a lot of time. Yeah. Great. So yes, the second topic which we are going to learn is number series. Okay. See here, number series will be having a lot of numbers like this. Okay. And from first number to second number to third number to fourth number, there will be some relation. It will be a linear relation, non-linear relation, multiplication, addition, subtraction. It can be anything. Okay. This is a very simple problem. Okay. See, what is the relation between 2 and 6? 2 plus 4 is 6, or 2 into 3 is 6. Okay. Next, what is the relation between 6 and 18? 6 plus 12 is actually 18, but 3, sorry, into 3 is, sorry, 6. Okay. 6 into 3 is 18. Okay. So the logic is both the time when we multiply by 3, we are getting the next number in the series. So 18 into 3, 54. So what should be the next number? Give a guess.
Option 3 is correct. 3 is correct.
Sorry?
162.
162 should be the right answer. Okay. So this is a very linear multiplication logic. Instead of that, answer can be something like this also. Like 2, 6, 24, 120, something like this. Now, can you guys tell me what is the logic here?
Into 4 and 5.
Into 3? Into 4?
Into 5.
Something like that. Correct. So next number should be into 6. And there could be some logic between first number and third number and fifth number, like second number and fourth number and sixth number. Likewise, a lot of small logics will be there. So these type of questions, generally, I'll tell you a small tip. Okay. As of number series is concerned, you should not be wasting much of time. Okay. You need to quickly check for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If that is not working, keep the question to the last. Because number series is by far the single most area which will eat up a lot of time if the question is difficult. You will not know whether the question is easy or difficult. So just quickly check if it falls under any simple logic. If you are not able to kind of find it by the look of the question, then it is better to keep number series at the last. Okay. There are very standard, like 10 to 15 standard logics will be there in number series. Like you just have to learn those things. And if the question is out of those logics, then keep it at last. You have to think deeper and deeper. Only then you will be able to understand the connection in the number series thing. Okay. Yes, can you understand this one? Yeah. If you can understand, please type U in the chat box. If you want me to repeat it, please type R in the chat box, guys. Yeah. The bottom line I'm trying to tell is number series question. If you, by look of the question, if you can guess the answer, fantastic. Don't be wasting too much of time on it. Okay. Yeah. So number analogy. Like, see, number series and number analogy is similar. There will be some relation between first number and second number and third number, like that. That is number series. Here, number analogy, like there will be a relation between this and this. The same relation has to happen between this and this. So give a guess. I'll change the question a little bit. Okay. 72 is to 18. like this has some relation. Okay. And 56 is to something. Okay. Like I just give another answer option called 14.
14 is the answer. 14 is the answer.
So you guys actually like try this relation, right? 72 by 18 equal to 4 times. So 56 by 4 should be 14. So by look of the question itself, a lot of people will be expecting 14 as one of the answers, but you're not having the answer here. As of number analogy is concerned, number analogy is a very, very creative area where they can connect any logic, any simple logic, complex logic, some stupid logic, whatever logic. Multiple logics can be possible for a single question. So this type of question, like this question is actually right. Okay. So here, see 7 plus, somebody has written the logic here. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 into 2 is 18. Okay. 5 plus 6 is 11 and 11 into 2 is 22. 22 should be the right answer for this question. Once again, I'll just repeat it. Aishwarya and Santosh, like in a number analogy question, unlike a number series will clearly have logic. First number and second number will have a direct mathematical logic like subtraction, addition, all that will be there. But as of number analogy is concerned, it can be mathematical, it can be logical, it can be summation of digits, it can be like, so some question like this also can be asked, like 19 is to AZ, okay, 28 is to what? See, there might not be much of connection between these two things. Okay, A is the first alphabet, and like from 1 to 9 is the last alphabet, and 9 is the last number. Likewise, you need to write the second alphabet and second last alphabet. Okay, BY could be answered. There is no actually mathematical logic or standard logic in this. Okay, like these are all like basic funny logics, but in number analogy, those type of logic also can be given, is what I'm just trying to tell. Okay, yeah. So number analogy questions are fun to solve, but if you get if you go on the wrong side of number analogy question, you will be scratching your head till the exam is over. So whenever you see numbers, if you are already good at numbers, touch the question, try to find the answer. If you are not able to get that, like then keep it at last. That's advisable. If you are not good at numbers, it is always advisable to touch these number series, number analogy questions at the last, generally. Okay, I'm a person by default, I'm very good at numbers. So in the first attempt itself, I'll just try to solve it. If I'm not getting the answer, then I'll not be hitting my head hard on the desk. I'll just keep it to the last. And once I've just completed all the easy problems, maybe I'll just come to these type of questions in the second round or third round. Got it, guys? Yeah. So point I'm trying to make is for single number analogy question, multiple logics can be there. Like you can just choose the favorable logic and just mark the answer. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So next is number puzzle. See, these type of questions are very, very famous in Infosys. Like Infosys will have a lot of number puzzle type of question. This is a very easy one. So try solving this one. Very easy question. There will be a connection between one number and next number like that. So what is the logic here? See, some people might be looking like this. 1 square, 2 square, 9 square is here. So the next number should be 10 square is what they are trying to tell. Okay, but then see from this point of view, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is missing. 4 square is not in the whole number puzzle. Okay, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square. Likewise, it's coming. So answer has to be 4 square. 16 should be the right answer. Yeah, correct. Clockwise. Great. Infosys have these type of question, but these type of question also can be made a little bit complicated. So first level, you solve easy questions so that you will get a lot of confidence. And second level, you can solve a lot of difficult questions in any topic, and every topic is concerned. If you are not aware of this topic, first of all, you need to solve some 20 to 30 easy questions in that specific topic. Make yourself comfortable, then go to the next level so that your confidence will be better. Okay. Yeah. So alphabet analogy. Okay. See guys, that logic is also correct. There is a connection between that square logic and +3, +5, +7 logic. But since we are not touching much of quantitative aptitude part today, like we need not kind of focus that today. Okay. Yeah. There is some connection between this and this. You need to find a connection between this and this. Okay. So whenever you see alphabet type of question, it's better to write down alphabets. Okay. I just write it for understanding of everyone. I just write it here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See, even before I write down all these things, you guys will be finding the answer. Okay. It's better to write all these things beforehand. Before the exam starts, if you can write all this, it will be better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, C and M. What is the relation? C and M?
+10.
+10. D and N? Same +10?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, great then. So here U is like 21. Okay. 21 + 10 is like, they will be calculating this way.
E.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this should be the right answer. E, F, G, H should be the right answer. Answer option B is right. Okay. You should not be like subtracting 10, because like here clearly +10 is the numbers here. So from this you should not be like subtracting 10. If you subtract 10, you will get 11. So K, even then the answer is not here. K, L, M, N is not here. So +10, this should be easily the logic. Okay. I just repeat it again, guys. Yeah. See. Sorry. I'll repeat it. Always, it's better to write down this ABCD upfront so that you will save a lot of time. Okay. See, find what is the relation between C and M. C and M, clearly it is 3 and 13. So 3 and 13, clearly we can see +10 is the number. So D and DM also it is +10, +10, +10, +10. Okay. Okay. Is this logic is also correct? Skipping 4 letters. Okay. So if you skip 4 letters, you will get only H. No, like that will not be right. See, 3 + 10. So 3 plus 10 is 13. Okay. And see here, what happens? After 3, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th number is M. Okay. So we have to kind of start from the next and circle the 10th number. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just circling the 10th. The next 10th number in that series. Can you understand that? Yeah. Anshita, you can get the recording. By end of the session, we will just share the feedback form. Just type in your email ID in that. You will just get it. No problem. Sorry?
Sir, yesterday session I didn't attend.
No problem. No problem. You just by end of the session, fill in the feedback form, give your email ID. We will just send it by end of the week. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Fine. So now it is like U plus 10 is, it comes to E. Okay, so E, F, G, H should be the right answer. Now guys, can you understand? Yes, no? Easy one guys, like we'll just skip it for now. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Can you go to the previous question? I just need to take a screenshot
Okay.
of it. I think
Yeah,
internet call down.
Let's do that. This one?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Have you just taken the screenshot?
No, just wait. Right. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So alphabet analogy and number analogy are like, you need to find some relation between the given two numbers and apply the same logic to the next set of two numbers. That is the idea. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll just focus on alphanumeric series. Okay. So alphanumeric series is like one easy topic. It is very similar to that of order and ranking, which we saw in yesterday's session. Okay. There will be some series given. It will have alphabet, numbers, symbols, all that. This is the series here. Based on this series, they will be asking a lot of questions. These type of questions are also like very, very easy. You need not have any specialized knowledge to solve these type of questions. Directly, you can kind of solve these type of questions. Like, look at the question directly. Which is the second element to the left of the sixth element from the right? Okay. So you need to read the question from the reverse. Which is the second element to the left of the sixth element from the right? So this is the left-hand corner. This is the right-hand corner. Which element is the sixth element from the right? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. To this number, okay. So you can write it as E here. Okay. You need to always read the question from the reverse. That is the main clue you need to learn in alphanumeric series in these type of questions.
And option A.
Okay, Adril. I think that's right. So which is the second element to the left of E? So left of E is first left, second left. N should be the right answer. No, N should be the right answer. Okay. Can you guys understand this? If you can understand, please type U in the chat box. If you want me to repeat, please type R in the chat box so that I can just repeat it quickly. Okay. So blood relation part. So blood relation is a very, very easy topic, guys. You just need to visualize your family, and drawing something called a family tree diagram is very easy. Some of basic ideas you need to keep in mind before solving a blood relation question is like, you just need to draw something called a family tree based on the given data in the question. So connect all them with the help of a diagram. Like there are some standard clues or standard codes people follow. If it is a male, then you can just draw inside a square box. If it is a female, you can just draw inside a circle. Okay. And if they are like husband and wife, spouse, you can just draw with the you can just draw an equal to symbol in between them. And if they are siblings, you can just draw a single line between the first person and the second person. If they are under the next generation, you can just draw some line vertically so that you will be able to understand from which people's son or daughter will be the next generation, all that. If you can draw some family tree diagram based on these small clues, it will be very easy for you to solve it. Okay. So I just try to draw this one. B, the son of A. Okay. Whose gender is known? B's gender is known. So A could be father or mother. We don't know. But A's son is B. B is married to C. Obviously, nowadays it is not very obvious, but then we'll assume this person is a female person. Okay. Yeah. B is married to C, whose sister D, B, the son of A, was married to C. Okay. C's sister. Okay. C's sister is was married to E, brother of B. Okay, great. Like a brother of B is E. Okay, fine. How is D related to A? Like, okay, fine. Got it. So easy question, guys. So here I was having a small confusion, but then it got sorted here. Okay. I was thinking like whether whose sister is D, meaning B sister or C sister, but then it has to be C sister. It cannot be B sister. Okay. So clearly B, the son of A. So this person is like son of this person, father or mother, we don't know. Like, and this person spouses C. C has a sister D, and D is married to E, and B and E are brothers, meaning A's
daughter-in-law.
correct. A's other son is E, and E's wife is D. So relation between A and D is like D is the daughter-in-law of A. But if the question is like this, how is A related to D? What would be the answer? Can you guys type in the chat box? How is A related to D?
Father-in-law.
You cannot tell that. It can be father-in-law or mother-in-law because gender of A we don't know. Okay. So answer can be either father-in-law or mother-in-law. If they have given father-in-law as one answer, mother-in-law as one answer, like answer should be 3 or 4. If there is some answer option like this, you need to mark this. Okay. Or if there is another answer option like cannot be determined. One option is father-in-law, other option is mother-in-law, and the last option is cannot be determined. You should always mark cannot be determined. You cannot exactly determine whether this is father-in-law or mother-in-law. Can you guys understand this one? Understand this point? Yeah. Last point. Anand, you are right, Anand. Correct. Okay, great. So, Jayashree, the point I was trying to make is gender of A.
D is daughter-in-law. Okay.
Really, yes. As of this problem is concerned, D is the daughter-in-law of A. Correct. This is the right answer. If the question has been changed this way, then answer will be either father-in-law or mother-in-law. That is what I'm just trying to type. Got it, guys? Yes, no? Yeah. So, yes. Last subtopic for the day is data sufficiency. So data sufficiency is a very interesting topic. Okay. You need to understand whether the given data is sufficient or not. You need not solve the problem completely. You need to have the idea whether the problem can be solved or not. You need not solve completely. Okay. Guys, are you getting this point? Data sufficiency is an area where you need not solve the problem. You need to have an idea whether you can solve the problem with the given data or not. You will just get some answer options like this. Okay. Yeah. So if you look at the question and then if you come back to the actual answer choices, you will understand it better. Okay. So maybe like I'll just show you the question here. There will be something called statement. And there will be something called a question. So we need to find whether we can find answer for this question. Okay. I just draw it inside a pink color box. Okay. This is the question part. We need to understand whether like we will be able to find answer for this question with the help of these data, data 1, data 2. Okay. Yeah. You need not find the answer. Okay. And these type of question, this question can be a numerical question, logical question. It can be of any topic. Based on that topic, they will give two data here. We will understand this better. Okay. And then we'll just go to the answer choices. You will understand better. In a row, there are 5 buildings are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buildings are there. So question is which building is in the middle? So we are supposed to find this. So idea is like, can we find the answer for this specific question with the first data alone? Now I'm going to use only the first data. Buildings S and Q are, yes, Arasu, shortcut I'll just tell you, okay? S and Q are at the two extreme ends of the row. So S, Q, or Q, yes. With this first data alone, will you be able to tell who's in the middle? Yes, no? If yes, type yes. Like no, type no. You will not be able to tell, right? Yeah. So this clue, first clue alone is not sufficient. Now just forget about the first clue. Just forget about the first clue. Focus only on the second clue alone. Building T is to the right of building R. Building T is to the right of building R, TR or RT. Okay. With this data alone, with the second data alone, will you be able to answer the question who's in the middle? Yes or no? So 1 alone is not sufficient. 2 alone is not sufficient. Now I am going to use both the clues combined. Both the clues combined. First clue is like S bar Q is there. S bar Q is there. Okay. And second clue is T is to the right of building R. R, and to the right side of R, T has to be there. So R and T can be here, R and T can be here. They can be anywhere. So center place can be like, it can be T, R. Combining both these data also, we are not able to find the answer. So this is what will be given in the answer choices. Now we will just focus on the answer choices. See, if data 1 is alone sufficient, like we need to mark the answer A. If data in statement 2 alone is sufficient, we need to mark B. If both the data alone is sufficient, 1 alone also gives answer, 2 alone also gives answer, like we need to mark C. See, if I'm after combining both these data, like I'm not able to mark the answer, then you have to mark D, which is the right answer for this question. And most of you guys would have seen the PPT itself. Okay. Yeah. Correct. So if both the data are combined together, at the last we tried whether we can find answer using both the data. If we were able to find the answer in that case, then we will mark E as the answer. Got it, guys? Can you understand this? Yeah. Okay. So, yes. So data sufficiency is a very easy topic, but then data sufficiency should be tried only after learning the other topics, because the question or data can be based on any aptitude topic or logical reasoning topic. Okay, so only if you have learned all those topics, it is like better to, it will be better for you to solve the question. Like that, in aptitude also, there are few areas you have to learn before you learn probability and permutations and combinations. Okay, you should not start with probability, because probability question can be asked from average, time and work, time, speed and distance, all that. Okay, so likewise, data sufficiency is a topic which you are supposed to learn at the last. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, I think I have just covered some basics of logical reasoning questions today. Like now, okay, so this is the question, guys. See, basically, I just zoom it a little bit. I cannot zoom much, but then I'll zoom as much as possible. There are like 15 clues given. Guys, I'll just teach you only once, okay? Because this is very, very difficult. It will take a lot of time for you guys to understand all this, okay? I'll try to give my best to make you understand. Okay. So in this problem, seating arrangement is a very, very easy topic in placements. In banking exams, all that, they will be asking difficult questions based on seating arrangement. Okay. Usually that is a very easy topic. So here they have just given, sorry, okay. There are 5 people in this question, and all these 5 people will be having 5 different color of houses and 5 different pet animals, 5 different smokes, and 5 different drinks. We need to match which person has which pet, smokes which cigar, drinks what, and which color of house, their nationality, all that. Okay. And after doing all that, we need to find the person who is keeping the fish. One of the pet animals is fish, or the pets is fish, and we need to identify which nationality has the pet animal. This is considered to be one of the difficult puzzles, and only 2% of people in this world have already solved this one. Maybe like I'll just share that link also with you. Copy. Paste it in the chat box. So these type of questions always better you just draw a table. Okay. I just draw a table here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So color of the house, nationality, What are the other things? Drinks,
Smoke.
cigar,
Pet.
smoke, pet. I think that's all. Okay. See, Englishman lives in the red house. Okay. So a red house is equal to red house, Englishman. But as I told you in yesterday's data arrangement, you need to find the direct clues first. Okay. One of the greenhouse drinks coffee, Pall Mall smokers, yellow house drinks Dunhill. See, the man in the center house drinks milk. The center house is third house. He drinks what milk? Okay. And Norwegian lives in the first house. First house is Norway. Okay. And what are the other clues we can get? Englishman in the red house, sweet keeps dogs, greenhouse is left of white one. Okay, owner of the greenhouse drinks coffee. So yellow house smokes Dunhill, center house milk, first house blend smoker, blue masters. Spring Norwegian lives next to the blue house. Okay, Norwegian lives next to the blue house. Color of this house is blue. Blend smoker. Okay, fine, great. See here, Englishman will live in the red house, no? Like a red house can be here, red, red, red. Okay. And greenhouse is just to the left of white one. Okay. Let us assume that all the houses are facing this direction. Okay. Greenhouse is to the left of white one. So
11th one.
okay, wait a minute. Sorry. Owner of the greenhouse drinks coffee. So green cannot be here because this house he is already drinking milk. Okay. And there has to be a house left of white is green. Okay, so if I put white here, green will be here. Okay, but actually white green or white green should be the answer. Sorry, white green or white green. See here, green cannot come here because the greenhouse person drinks coffee. Okay, so like white will be here, green will be here. Okay, and here the greenhouse person will be drinking coffee. And obviously this color will be red color. Okay, because Englishman lives in the red house. Because if we put red here, already Norway is here. So this person is the Englishman. Okay, fine. The Dane drinks tea. So tea and Dane has to come together. So Dane tea can come here or Dane tea can come here. We cannot mark it. So which are the clues which we have already marked? 9th clue is marked. 8th clue is marked. 1st clue is marked. 4th clue is marked. 5th clue is marked. Yellow house. So yellow house is this one. Smokes Dunhills. So this clue is marked. The man who keeps horses lives next to the Dunhill smoker. So here it is horse. This clue is marked. Okay. So these are some of the basic. Okay.
10th and 15th were related.
Sorry, 10th one. Blunt smoker neighbor who keeps cat.
And 15th one.
Sorry.
10th and 15th one are related.
10th and 15th one. Blunt smoker who keeps cat, who drinks water. See, the problem is you cannot relate it easily because we don't know which place has water, and also we don't know which place has this cat. Okay, so a lot of possibilities are there.
14 numbers, sir.
Norwegian lives to next to the. Okay, this is also used. 14 numbers used. Okay, great. German smokes prince. So German prince can come here. German prince can come here. A lot of possibilities are there. Palmal smoker keeps birds. Palmal bird, palmal bird, palmal bird. 3 possibilities are there. Owner of the greenhouse, this is fixed. Okay, fixed. Okay. So these are the clues. Out of 15 clues, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 clues are direct clues. And after this, you need to start exploring possibilities after this. Okay. Beyond this, you will not be able to directly fill. So what you are supposed to do is like take one possibility. We will just take second clue or third clue because this have only 2 possibilities. But if I choose German smokes prince, it can like come German prince, 3 possibilities are there. So I just choose 2 possibility thing. I'm just going to take this one and I'm just going to write it in a different color. Okay. Even if it goes wrong, I'll just choose it. Swede keeps dogs. So, okay. Swede, it cannot be Swede here. Swede can come here or here. Okay. So Sweden person. And I can keep dogs here. And Dane drinks tea. Okay. Is there any other clue related to Swede? Okay. Greenhouses just to the, okay, Pall Mall smoker keep the birds. Okay. Blind smoker has a neighbor who keeps cats. So blind smoker, cat can come here. Here, blind smoker cannot come. Here, blind smoker come here. Okay. So blind smoker can be here. Blind smoker can be here. 2 possibilities are there. Okay, Norwegian is blind smoker has a neighbor who drinks water. So blind smoker's neighbor has to drink water. So water can be here. Water can be here. Water can be here. Water can be here. No, I'm not able to kind of figure out any concrete thing. Possibilities are increasing more. Maybe this is not the right way to approach this problem.
Sir,
Yeah.
hello.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
if 5th में अगर डेन रखे टी तो फिर फर्स्ट वाला जहाँ पे वाटर है वो ऑप्शन कट हो जाएगा
Yeah,
क्योंकि वहाँ
so
पे
sorry, I
Norwegian
don't
है.
understand Hindi. Okay. Sorry
Okay.
about it. Yeah. So can you please?
Sir, if we take Dane in 5th column,
Okay. How do you
he
definitely
drinks,
take that? Because 2 possibilities. are
he
there, no?
drinks tea because we can cancel this blind smoker then.
No. Drink is different. Drink is the 3rd column. Okay. Smoke is the 4th column.
Yeah, but his neighbors drink water now.
Okay.
So we can cut this option.
Which one?
Third one, and his drink. Dane drinks tea.
Tea. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sweet drinks the water, sir. If you keep it in the
See,
Then
White
Norwegian
House.
must have water.
if Dan drinks tea,
Tea.
okay.
So
Blend
blend
smoker will come
smokers,
here.
yeah,
So
and water will come here in a first column.
what will happen if I put like this? Like if I put Dan here and tea here.
Hmm.
So that case also water is a possibility here, no?
Yes.
So multiple possibilities are there. Maybe like, see, if I try this way, it will give a lot of possibilities, and we should be like kind of exploring each and every possibilities. Only then we will be able to, at the end of exploring all the possibilities, we will be able to mark the answers. Okay. Wait a minute. I have just solved this question multiple number of times. At least I have just solved this question 100 times. Okay. But every time I solve, like it is difficult. So it's, we cannot memorize these type of puzzles. That is very important. Or I don't have the intention of memorizing these puzzles. So I always go with the flow. Okay. I'll just try using this clue. Dan drinks tea. So two possibilities are there. Only two possibilities. Dan tea, Dan tea. So I'm just going to put Dan here. Dan tea here. So if it is not working, I'll put Dan here. That's all. That should be right. Okay. So if I put Dan here, like there are two people, German and Swede. Okay. So Swede will be here because Swede is the person who keeps dogs. If I put Swede person here, what will happen? The pet animal is already horse. Okay. So it will not work out. So Swede has to be here, and that person is keeping dogs. Okay. Dan drinks tea. And what else? This clue is used. This clue is used. Pall Mall smoker keeps birds. So Pall Mall birds, two options are there. Let's come back to that later. Bench smoker's neighbor keeps cats. So blend smoker's neighbor is the person who keeps cat. So blend smoker can be here. Cat. It cannot be here. Blend smoker can be here. Blue Masters drinks beer. So see, this clue is very, very important clue. Blue Masters drinks beer. So here, there are only two options for drinks, okay? But here, this guy is already smoking Dunhills. So definitely, this has to be Blue Masters, and this has to be beer, and this has to be water. Okay? And the blend smoker's neighbor has, blend smoker has a neighbor who drinks water. See, water is here, water's neighbor is here. Here it is Blue Masters, not blend smoker. So this assumption is wrong. Whatever assumption we have just taken is wrong. So like Dan and T will definitely come which place? Second place. Okay. So this is how you are supposed to find it. I'll just use black color. Dunhill. Dan will be here and T will be here. Okay. So this is fixed. Dan and T is fixed. Swede keeps dogs. So obviously, Sweden person can be multiple possibilities are there. Swede dogs. Okay, we cannot fix it. Fix that now. This clue, what 11th clue is very important once again. Blue Masters beer. Okay, so definitely this person has to drink beer because only that smoke option is available. Blue Masters. These are all not possibilities. These are all true. Okay. Yeah. So like what are the next clue available here? Man who keeps horses downhill. Okay, this is done. I wish I can solve this problem without even before my battery of laptop's battery dies. Okay, we are very close to the answer. Yeah, so Pall Mall birds. So Pall Mall birds. Two options are there. Blunt smoker has a neighbor who keeps cats. Okay, blunt smoker, cats possible. Blunt smoker, cat possible. Blunt smoker, that is not a great clue. German prince. Sorry?
15.
Yeah, so 13 clue is easy. German is smoking prince. Okay, two options are there. German prince. So here it is already fixed, no? So definitely German will be here. Prince will be here. Oh my God. So prince, German. And this guy will be Swede. Swede keeps dogs. Okay, great. And 15th clue, blunt smoker has a neighbor who drinks water. So,
Next to Dunfield.
yeah, correct. Water. So blunt smoker is
Smoker.
here. So
Gun
which,
smoker has maybe one of these cats.
like what is the next drink? Sorry, smoke.
What is that?
We don't know. Okay.
Blue Master, sir.
Blue Masters. Blue Masters is
Not
fixed.
Blue Masters.
Pall
Pall
Mall.
Mall.
Pall Mall. Okay, Pall Mall is here. Okay, okay.
Pall Mall
okay.
smoker keeps birds.
Pall Mall is birds. Okay, great. One more. Blunt smoker neighbor has cats. No?
Yeah.
So cat. Oh my
As a
God.
neighbor who gets first one is cat.
Cat. So this is fish. So German is the answer.
German
Okay.
has fish.
I just solved it for like plenty of times, but then always this is how we should approach these type of problems. This is one of the difficult. Okay. All the problems in analytical reasoning you see will be less than this. Okay, that is what I wanted to share. And we'll just wind up the session even before my laptop shuts down. Thank you all, guys. Thank you so much for being
Sir,
here.
can you please share some more questions like this?
Yeah, these questions are called analytical reasoning puzzles. You can just Google search, you will get a lot of questions. Okay.
Okay, so thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. See you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.